Hey, this is William and I want to take just a few minutes to make this short video to show you exactly how to install the template file into your MT4 terminal. And to find this template, you just have to look at these few files that you have and look for the file with the .tpl extension. And you will find this file. It's called Forex Trading While You Work. I want you to go ahead and copy this file. And once you have copied this file, I want you to go to your MT4 terminal. Now, once you have launched your MT4 terminal, what I want you to do now is go under File, go open your data folder. Once you have opened your data folder, go to Template, the template folder, and now paste the file that you have copied just now, Forex Trading While You Work.tpl, and paste it into this folder. After that, you are done. Close this and come here to refresh under indicator. Once you are done, open a new window or new chart, right click under the template. Under the template, look for Forex Trading While You Work, and that's it. You get this very nice and simple chart that you can now use and follow the strategy rules shown in the strategy guide of Forex Trading While You Work. So with this is William, and oh yeah, by the way, it is highly recommended that you use it on H4 or even D1. Personally, when I use this strategy, I like to use it on D1 so that I don't have to monitor much. Okay, so with this is William. I am going to sign off, wishing you plenty of success in your trading. Good luck.